This is today's 4th of July craft. It's just printables in a painted frame. Alright everybody, hope you enjoy it. Hello everybody. I'm gonna make you all laugh. Well, look at this cute little picture that I'm making for 4th of July. This was a free printable I found on Pinterest. I'll try to link, actually I can link the website below. Isn't that adorable? I'm gonna put this on the table with the rest of my 4th of July stuff. But I had no frame because I'm trying to use things I've had, and I thought, how cute would this be with a red frame, right? So I grabbed the red paint, my paintbrush, and the printable, which I'm going to stick over that way so I don't get any paint on it. But I have to tell you, I'm laughing because I just did the Christmas video, the collab video for the I'm gonna stick it right in the middle, for the upcoming collab, Christmas in July. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Christmas in July 2018. I probably should have did a white base on this. That'd probably have been the smart thing to do. But you know what? I'm okay with that. It's only coat number 1. Maybe I'll do white next and then I'll do red again. I don't know. So, yeah, so we have a Christmas in July collab. I feel like I'm uploading like 100 videos today. I hope you're enjoying them. I'm bouncing back and forth between the pool and the craft room because we hit the 90s for 2 days in a row. Oh my god, I feel like oh, I just got paint on me. See that? I just got paint on me. I'll just have to go in the pool and wash it up. I actually have my bathing suit on. You could probably see it. I feel like a flower that has been rejuvenated. Yes, with the sun. Yay! So I am banging out the 4th of July crafts. That I am. Gonna knock them out. I'm gonna try not to get too much paint on me. Yeah, but if I do, it's water-based. I'll wash it off. So I hope everybody's summer is going very well. Ours just began. Yay! My men had a garage sale this weekend. It didn't do very well. Nobody was out garage sailing because, honestly, this was the first nice weekend we've had where it actually feels like summer. So I'm sure everybody was going down the Delaware River or at the beach or having barbecues. I am the messiest painter when it comes to crafts, but not when I paint my house. Yeah, so the garage sale tanked. TJ bought a motorcycle. TJ got a Harley Davidson. So proud of my son. He takes after his mother on this one, not his dad. John doesn't care for motorcycles, but I used to be a biker girl. Yeah, I used to be a biker girl. Except my bike was a Kawasaki Vulcan. TJ started with Hondas, dirt bikes, Enduros, and he just got himself a Harley. Look at that. Look at this. I am loving this. And you know what? This might be for 4th of July right now, but I'm thinking this could turn into something Christmassy. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Alright, so I'm going to let this coat dry. Figured we'd catch up a little and do a little chit-chat. And I'll be back. And you know what? I'll stick a picture of TJ's motorcycle in this video so you can see it. Okay, I'm back, and it is morning, and I'm really happy with how that came out. So I figure I'm going to just clean the glass because this was a very old frame, which has lots of dust on it, I'm sure. And then we'll put our picture in. I have an idea for one more. Actually, this is what my thought process is for the picture frames. I'm going to go find 2 more of these frames, which I know I have, and I'm going to paint one white and one blue, so that when I put them on the table, they will be red, white, and blue. I did print 2 of these out. And if you see, there's just a little bit of a difference. This one I should be able to cut down to an 8 by 10, which I forgot to do. I forgot to do that. I reprinted it so that it was cuttable. Cuttable? Cuttable. Trimmable? Trimmable. So, alright, so this is 8.5 by 11, so I should be able to take a 1/4 of an inch off of this side, 1/4 of an inch off of this side, (8 by 10), so I have to take a 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch down here, and a 1/2 inch down here, 8 by 10. And we're going to go to that, and we're going to cut a little bit more off the bottom. And I hope I can see this all in my frame. No, not most of it. Let's see, ready? Oh, how cute! Oh, this is adorable. Oh, no, let's put it back on, Donna. Not thinking. This is what was in there. This used to hang in my kids' room. They went to a motocross and got autographs, so I always save things like that. So one day when my kids go through all the frames, I always tell them I always hide things in the back of my frames. You never know what you're going to find. Oh, my poor kids. When I pass, they're going to have so much to go through. But look! 1 down, 2 more to go. Oh, that's so adorable. How stinking cute. Like I said, I'll put the link to this below. Alright, wait for more. Okay, I'm done. So, that's the red frame. How cute is that, right? Then I did the Pledge of Allegiance, and I thought I cleaned the glass. There was something on it. The Pledge of Allegiance. How cute, right? And then, I guess my white's not dry. Oh my God. Holy crumoly. Sugar. I guess I'm going to be doing a little touch-up. What was I thinking? No big deal. No big deal. I'll fix it. And that's that one. Alright, gotta go get my paint. Got a little touch-up to do. No big deal. No big deal. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful 4th, and I do believe there's still more crafts to come. See you real soon.